What's up YouTube? It's JonnyB Pokémon, and today I'm possibly going to be doing my last video opening up celebrations. I only have a few more chase cards to go. I'm still looking for the Umbreon Gold Star, the Mew EX, and the Mewtwo EX. Hopefully I can get one of the three in this. If I can get the Umbreon Gold Star, I'll probably just end up buying the other two in singles, just to complete the set. And also to try to help me find one of those chase cards, I'm going to be opening up this Pikachu VMAX Premium Figure Collection box. Comes with 2 Pikachu promo cards and a Pikachu figure, along with a bunch of packs. With these 2 promos and the other Pikachu promos, I think that gives me the set for celebration promos. Well, as always, I'm going to open these up and lay out all the packs. Before I do, just a reminder, if you'd like to help support this channel, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Now let's get into this. Here's the code for the Pikachu V Union box. Here are the promo cards. The Pikachu V, the Raising Arms Pikachu VMAX, the Pikachu Collection, what is it, V Union, and then the last promo. Here's the code card for the Pikachu VMAX box. Alright, first celebration pack. Let's see what we can get. Code. Palkia. Reshiram. Professor's Research, and Groudon. Next pack. Code. Reshiram, Yveltal, Pikachu, and a Lugia. Let's go ahead and open up a Vivid Voltage. Code. Energy. Execute. C-Dot, Reverse Hollow, Non-Hollow Rare. Do another celebration. Code. Come on, Umbreon. Cosmog, Flying Pikachu VMAX, and Palkia. Let's do Chilling Reign. Code. Fighting. Agatha. Farfetch'd. Reverse Hollow. Non-Hollow Rare. Next celebration. Code. Palkia. Surfing Pikachu VMAX, and Lugia. Let's do a Darkness Ablaze. See if we can get that Charizard VMAX. Still looking for it. Code. Energy. Mr. Mime. Tauros. Reverse Hollow. Nice. Acrobat V. Celebrations. Code. Xerneas. Solgaleo. Oh, nice. A Venusaur. Let's do another celebration. Code. Cosmo. Zacian V, and here comes Steam Rocket. Let's do another one. Code. Palkia. Flying Pikachu V, and nice. Team Magma's Groudon. Still not that Umbreon though. Next celebrations. Code. Palkia. Groudon. Flying Pikachu VMAX. Oh, nice. Reshiram. That's a pretty good pack. Still not what I'm looking for, though. Let's do a Darkness Ablaze. Come on, Charizard. Code. Psychic. Pansear. Reverse Hollow. Non-Hollow Rare. Alright, next pack. Code. Dialga. Professor's Research. And a Ho-Oh. Next one. Code. Palkia. Flying Pikachu V. And a Cosmog. Next celebrations. Like 2 more celebrations to go. Code. So far I have not gotten any of the chase cards I was looking for. Yveltal, Kyogre, Professor's Research, and a Garchomp C, level X. Battle Styles. Code. Energy. Mr. Mime. Cubone. Reverse Hollow. And a non-hollow rare. And the last pack. Let's hope there's some of that. Last pack magic. Really hoping for one of those chase cards that I mentioned. A Mew, Mewtwo, or Umbreon. Either one would be great. Code. Groudon, Cosmog, Pikachu, and a Palkia. Great. Well, it looks like I might have to buy those cards as singles. That's unfortunate. Anyways, here are the hollows from this video, starting with the reverse hollows. Professor's Research. A couple of them. Exhaustion V. No Zamazenta Vs this time. Venusaur. Groudon. Surfing Pikachu VMAX. Flying Pikachu VMAX. Another Flying Pikachu VMAX. Reshiram. Then the promos. The Pikachu VMAX. And the Pikachu V promo. And of course the Jumbo card. Well, that's all I have for this video. Just a reminder, if you'd like to help support this channel, hit that subscribe button and like the video. Later.